Need quick serial numbers in Excel? In this guide, I'll show you simple ways to generate automatic numbering using fill tools and formulas. Start by typing 1 in the first cell and 2 in the cell below it. Select both cells, then drag the small square in the bottom right corner downward. Excel recognizes the pattern and continues the numbering for the rest of your list. This is a fast manual method and works well for small datasets. Another way is to type 1 in the starting cell, go to the Home tab, choose Fill from the Editing group, and click Series. In the dialog box, select Columns, set the step value to 1, choose the last number you want as a stop value, and click OK. Excel will fill the column with serial numbers automatically. For a formula-based approach, select the first cell and type equals sequence 10 to generate numbers from 1 to 10. You can adjust the total count inside the formula to match your dataset. Alternatively, use the row function by typing equals row open parentheses, close parentheses, minus row open parentheses, $B, $4, close parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses in the first cell of your serial number column. Then drag the fill handle down. This method updates automatically if you insert or delete rows, making it ideal for tables that change often. Using these simple techniques, you can quickly create serial numbers in Excel, keep your data organized, and save time on repetitive tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy Excel tips and tricks.